एक आलीशान हवेली, एक रईस खानदान, एक अनोखी विरासत।
I, Rajendra Pratap Saxena, leave my most prized possession, the OPPO RENO 7 Pro, to
Who? Who did he leave it to?
पिताजी की वसीयत अधूरी है।
What? किसी ने फोन अनबॉक्स कर दिया।
A family without trust. Are there some mysteries better left unsolved?
झगड़ने से कुछ नहीं होगा. We need to call a professional. We need to call a detective.
Detective Vishwas. No fingerprints. Beautiful. Estimated time of unboxing 7:30 p.m. ना कोई आया, ना कोई गया. That means the culprit is someone from this house. I'll need to interview each of you individually.
एक सेल्फी।
आपकी सोशल मीडिया से दिखता है कि आप सेल्फी के शौकीन हैं।
Of course, but there's nothing illegal about that.
But imagine if those selfies were taken with the OPPO Reno 7 Pro's front camera Sony IMX709 sensor with bokeh flash.
Gosh, but मैं किसी और का फोन अनबॉक्स नहीं करता. And besides, I was too far away from the box, right next to.
Yes, detective. मेरे साथ थे वो पिछले 20 साल से अपनी घटिया सेल्फियां ले लेके दिमाग खराब कर दिया है। I'm an artist, Mr. Vishwas. I crave for visual perfection, perfect structure, perfect.
Color?
कहना क्या चाहते हैं आप?
Oh, nothing. As an artist, as a perfectionist, it might be tempting to see such a beautiful color gradient and shooting star effect of the Reno 7 Pro. Maybe it could get unbearable to leave such a gradient in a box. Maybe you had to see it for yourself.
No, I've done no such thing. I swear on my.
मम्मी कहती है मैं बहुत ज्यादा गेम खेलता हूँ, इसलिए they only let me charge my phone for an hour every day. That's barely any time.
Barely any time. Unless, of course, you had a phone with 65-watt fast charging.
Oh yeah, I would do anything for a phone like that. 12 GB plus up to 7 GB RAM expansion, MediaTek Dimensity 1200 Max chipset, 65-watt Super VOOC.
Anything?
नहीं, I didn't unbox the phone, uncle.
Uncle?
वैसे the person standing closest to the phone was.
It's so annoying, Mr. Vishwas. I miss so many calls and messages and notifications. Wish there was a better way to see these notifications.
Something on the back of the phone, maybe. Orbit breathing light, for example.
Oh, I know what you're trying to do, detective, and it won't work. I've too much of class for this sneaky business. But you know who doesn't?
The lighting in this house is all messed up. You know, maybe it has something to do with the sensor of this camera. If only I had the Reno 7 Pro 50 megapixel triple camera with flagship Sony IMX766 sensor, I could take amazing low light videos. मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. Somebody tripped me. I was already on the floor when the lights came on.
All of you have motives. All of you are hiding something, and yet all of you have alibis. ये घर एक मिस्ट्री का बक्सा है, एक बक्सा जो मैं अनबॉक्स करूंगा. I'm sending this phone to the lab. शाम तक पता चल जाएगा फोन अनबॉक्स किसने किया. Good day.
ओ हेलो, किसी ने डिटेक्टिव बुक किया? That's me, Detective Vishwas.
You are the detective.
Of course.
There are some mysteries better left unsolved.